Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to find your Wi-Fi password on Windows 10. So if your PC runs on Windows 10 and you're connected to a Wi-Fi network, now you want to find the Wi-Fi password, then here's a video for you. So if at the end of this you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now, to find your Wi-Fi password on Windows 10, all you need to do is go ahead and click on the Start button on your Windows. Select Settings. On the Settings page, locate and click on Network and Internet on the left side. Then make sure you are connected to the WiFi and click on WiFi. Then here you should see the WiFi page. On the Wi-Fi page, locate and click on the Wi-Fi name. This is going to show you the Wi-Fi properties. And on the Wi-Fi properties page, go ahead and click on Show button on Wi-Fi network password. Then hang on a couple of seconds. Then you should see your Wi-Fi password like this. So this is the Wi-Fi password. You see that? Then again, you can also find your Wi-Fi password by clicking on the pointed arrow at the bottom right here or select Wi-Fi. Click on the pointed arrow on the Wi-Fi you are connected to. Now click on the information icon, which is the property icon on the Wi-Fi name. Then you should see the Wi-Fi settings page opened. Once it opens, all you need to do is this. Scroll down the page, locate and click on Advanced Wi-Fi Network Properties, and then click on Edit. Then on the Edit page that pops, click on Security, then check Show Characters. Then you should see your Wi-Fi password. You see that? So that is basically how to find your Wi-Fi password on Windows 10. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.